everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to download hi5 application. So let's get started. Begin by launching Play Store on your mobile device. In the search bar, type in hi5 and perform your search. Now tap on hi5 application. Then tap on the install button to begin the downloading process. It will take a while to download this app. Once the app is installed, tap on the open button to launch the app. And this is how you can download hi5 application. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.